All right. Got a little package from Prodigy. These are actually the samples that I'm getting for the frames around the, prints. And actually it arrived actually like, so I got like three of these big ones. And then I have like eight of like these smaller ones in that sense. So we got to test the quality a little bit. So this is like the smaller one in that sense. And these are like the bigger ones. You can kind of see the comparison over there. Funny enough, or not funny enough, so I kind of liked a few of them, like this one, but the moment you actually hold them, the quality is kind of bad, or actually really bad. Like it's like you kind of feel it, and it's like it's almost gonna drop basically. Whereas with these ones, you have like kind of like this robust kind of feeling. Same thing with these ones, like you think you actually have a frame. The other ones are like some of them actually look okay. Like I was hoping for this one, it kind of looked okay online, and now they're like it's really bad. Like it's like you kind of feel like it's like almost like fake wood, or like it's almost like there's no wood inside. So we ended up picking, funny enough, four of them. And I already lost two in that sense. I'm still getting there. I kind of lost them, but we ended up picking so a bigger one like this. So this is like the wooden frame. It's actually already on the website, which is basically this little one. And then we also tried to see for the white one, but actually it looks very cheap. So we ended up not going for this one. But we actually ended up going for this one in black as well. Because it kind of looks, that actually gives like a cool little, vibe to go around the frame. So we ended up with going for this one, and also in black. And then actually also the smaller one, because that's probably going to be like a cheaper version of it, but actually still like it feels like nice little wood. So actually we ended up going for this one, the bigger one, which is a little bit more expensive but more robust, and then this one in black to give it more like this, I call it a fancy look, I would say. But I actually already lost it, so it's somewhere here, but I liked it as well. We took a picture. Oh, actually, and we'll have this one, but more on like darker, in a darker color, which is kind of, you won't probably see it, but it's like, it will go in like a dark brownish in that sense, which was going to be this color. So we're actually going to launch with four of them, optimize as we need. If there's anybody who's like, hey, I want to try this color, because like we have all these not bad colors, I would say, but they're just like, they just like, you will unpack them and they just look super cheap. And we're trying to go for quality. You can also even see like some of them even have like this bad painting job on top of it. So we're actually deleting most of them. We actually had some hope for a few of them, but we're not going to do that. We're actually going to ship quality. So these are the four we're actually going to launch with. I'll put them on the website. That's the next step to make sure that we can optimize them. You'll be able to pick them. And so, yeah, we're going to start with four. Just need to figure out pricing for this one. So that's going to be the next video on how we're deciding on pricing and how this is going to work out. But yeah, I would say wish me luck for the launch. We're still optimizing a few things. One is the frame, but that's picked. And I would still have to optimize the quality of the actual photo shoots because the dog pictures are not coming out perfectly. We're still some optimizations to do, but that is the next step. So yeah, follow along for more journey on Maison Zola. Cheers.